a productive conversation with Chris Reyes and our founders, Niels Grosberg. And we have powerful news. You must listen to Mr. Rolmay because we planned the road to Dubai. You will be unstoppable the next 1 month. Roald, let us know.
Hey guys, we have 2 amazing promotions for you to use to the road to Dubai. The first one is the extension of the 4 promo packages that we had last month. Although a lot of people already benefited from this, we believe that throughout the holidays, not everybody has benefited as they could have. So this is extended till the end of January 31st. The second promotion is what got us all very excited. You know that normally around the event, we have a big promotion going on for the packages, but now we use that already towards Dubai. This promotion is happening right now. We're gonna launch double the coins for the 5 years escrow. So that means for all packages except the promo packages, you will get double the coins if you choose the new 5-year escrow period. What do you think of this promotion, Igor?
What do I think? Woo! I'm super excited because 3 days of Leonidas, of Julius Caesar, of Genghis Khan, of Napoleon Bonaparte, of Alexander the Great, fighting and struggling for the superior promotion. But we get it done. That means that all those leaders that asked us the last month, when do we get a promotion? When do we get something magical, something fabulous, something magnificent? Ladies and gentlemen, it's happening right now. When you look at the video, you can go to the website and you can order your packages with double the coins. You dreamed about it. We had hundreds of thousands of people joining the last month, and finally, the final promotion with the coins is there. So make sure that you take advantage of it, because you could go to Dubai as a rich man or as a rich lady, because you can earn a lot of commissions, ladies and gentlemen. You can create massive action, massive results, massive, mesmerizing, superior future for you and the ones that you love. All those people can take advantage of it. You want to become the legend of your family? You want to unlock your true potential? Then this is the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Just do it. Just take advantage of this possibility, and the future will be brighter than you ever could imagine, and it will never turn back to maybe the catastrophe that you are used to living. This is the moment. This is where we fight for.
We got it done.
We get it done. We get it done. Woo! Just take advantage, and you will see the future belongs to the ones that believe in the beauty of their dreams.
And remember, Success Factory, strength and honor.
It's all
All about you.